Are you wondering how much you can earn in the ATM business? Why don't we do the math? Let's say your ATM does an average of 4 or 5 transactions per day. We'll say that's approximately 135 transactions a month. Now, let's assume you've set a $3 surcharge per transaction. With approximately 135 transactions a month, you're looking at about $400 a month from your ATM, right? Which is just under $5,000 a year. But what about the costs? Well, assume you've invested $2,500 or so to get the ATM and have minimal monthly expenses for communications, right? You're left with around $2,250 in profit. That means you're not just breaking even, you're making a significant return. In fact, your return on your investment, it's over 90%, which is pretty impressive from where I am. And it doesn't end there. Even after your ATM is fully depreciated, it remains a valuable asset for your business. Plus, it continues to generate income every month. Sounds too good, right? Well, that's actually how ATM business owners earn a profit and why you see them in so many places. Now, not every place is going to have 4 or 5 people using them a day, but if you want to learn how to find and get locations and set your surcharge accordingly, then hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And again, I'm Noah Wieder. Catch more ATM Business Insider tips and tricks at atmbusinessroadmap.com.